ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Katanat Information Technology and Communications jong Sorkar Jylla haga arfuai tarik ubnai nailor arajar arfuai kala Sngewbha ki laptop syaki Samla puli ki balawan syakmat haga examen kelas 10 bat kelas 12 jong usnem arajar arpo ya ki bala penolong daga embos ka CBSE ka ICSE bat ka ISC kani kala long haga jingyalang ha yojna bhavan auditorium ha nongba Shillong Hagajing pen kuburam yakini ki Samla pule la sakhi langru dau Menteri Katanat Information Technology and Communications uba Hamletson Doling uba lalong u Kongsan u Commissioner and Secretary jong Katanat Information Technology and Communications uba MR Sindrem u Director jong ka Directorate of IT and Communications uba KL Nongbri lembat QA.
We are faced with so many unfamiliar hardships, especially when it comes to our studies. And we are still trying to adjust to these new normals. One thing that I think not only we sitting here today, but each and every student out there can agree that throughout these past 2 years, we are weighed down by this overwhelming feeling of demotivation, which is only natural. And so we are extremely grateful that the government of Meghalaya is rewarding us today because this will act as a constant reminder to each and every student out there that no matter the situation, no matter the doubts, and no matter the many uncertainties that we may face in life, one thing will always be constant, and that is you will always reap the fruits of your hard work.
I congratulate each and every one of you for the hard work, for the sacrifice that you have achieved up to this height. I would like to take the advantage also to congratulate to your parents, your school teachers, for their working hand in hand with you to see that we grow and reach up to this position. My dear students, myself, I have been affiliated with this program for a very long time. Right from 1993, I have been initiated this kind of program to give recognition to the students and to felicitate to the students who have come up successfully in their exam. At the time I was in the Students' Union, later as the General Secretary of the Kasi Students' Union. We never forget in our day-to-day life in the world to see and address this issue. At that time, we used to go from one locality to another locality. Every nook and corner of the state, we used to go and felicitate all the students who come out successfully in their exam. At that time, we just giving to them only the memento and certificate. But we can see they are happy and feel encouraged by such program. Friends, I do appreciate the government of Meghalaya has accepted this model, this project adopted by the KCO at that time, where the government in 2007, if I'm not mistaken, it was under during R.G. Lenox as minister, a staff from government to come up with this scheme by representing the top students with doctor. Friends, you may say that this program might be small, tiny one, but it will have a big impact in your life. To get the recognition government of Meghalaya, or the IT department, we would like to continue this program because we feel that it is a very good program and the students get encouraging with this program. So I do hope that the program that we do to organize will not go in vain. We are looking at you. You are the future of the state. It is you. One day, you will come and take over to run the state. We would like to see that. We have a lot of IS officers, MOS, IS, SS officers in the state. But one day, they have to retire. One day they will be retired from the service. Who will come and sit here as to run this beautiful state? Of course, we need officers also from our state to come to our state. Well, fine. But we will love to see that old young person here will take over to run the state. This is the importance of this program. We recognize your hard work. We recognize your strength. But please, don't make useless. I know this is very, very difficult time for you. From 18 to 25, 26, it is a very crucial age. Lots of conditions, lots of ups and downs is there. But mind you, do take in your life. Education is one of the top priority in your life. Education is just a part of investment, but it will be your asset after all. So, my dear friend, with this program, I would like to urge upon you. Please don't give up, don't lose hope, but do have the vision, do have the spirit to fulfill your ambition. I know each and every one of you, you have the aim in life. You have the ambition. Many of you, somebody want to become doctor, somebody want to become engineer, somebody want to become IAS and all. This will not come easily like that. But you have to strive and work hard. You have to sacrifice. You have to give everything. Sacrifice for 5 years. The burden of the future will be in your hand. This time, we are going to facilitate with this program 262 students. But today, we are only 30 of you. The rest, we will communicate them so that they also will come and collect the small gift which are prepared from the IT department. So with these few words, once again, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. Please be focused. There's more and more achievement in your life. If you are serious about it, I hope this beautiful city one day a young person here will come and sit here in this area to run the mission of state of Meghalaya.
in